Sales, yeah, this is a very, very, very popular one. A lot of price calculations, price lists, product validations, actually trying, for argument's sake, if we sell that product at that price, what profit are we making? Is it actually worthwhile? Because sometimes it's actually worthwhile selling 10 items for double the price than it is, if you're making a massive markup on something, selling 10 of them is maybe better than selling 1,000. If you've got no markup, you're just losing all the stock. So there's all those kind of all that kind of analysis that goes on, profit and loss of what you're making, where you're losing, where your money's coming in, where it's going out. Things like quotes. People spend a lot of time often generating quotes, looking at this price, let's get in the price, putting it in, how many times by that, what markup should we do, all of this kind of thing. Whereas actually I've created a lot of prices where you have those prices already in the spreadsheet. So you simply select what you need and it calculates the prices. And often I'll do things like where you've got various options. So there's maybe different site options or different fittings or different add-ons or accessories or whatever that you can select, and the prices automatically update in the background. You don't have all those careless human errors where someone forgot to multiply by 20 or where someone forgot to put that price in or put this price in, those kind of things. So yeah, sales figures, quote, profit and loss, product validation, price list, lots of things to be done in sales. Again, it's all about numbers, and Excel eats that breakfast.